Please subscribe my channel by clicking on subscribe button and hit a bell icon to get a quick notification about my channel. You will get tips and tricks related to computers and mobile, web designing course, technology related information and account lesson for SE student in my channel. Hello everyone, you are welcome to my YouTube channel and you are watching PHP series. In previous lesson, we have discussed about include and return statement. And today in this lesson, I am going to discuss about include once and required once statement. Now let's start our lesson. As in our previous lesson, we have created a two file that contains a header section and a footer section. So now I have created a file name that is index.php. So in this section, I would like to call out a header and a footer section. So in order to include header section, so I'll use the include statement. Include header.php, and over here I would like to echo h1. This is a body section. I would like to close h1, and here I want to include a footer.php, footer.php that we have created already. So I would like to save this, and I like to refresh the page. Like, this is a header section, this is a body section, but now this is correct way. Now this upper one, it is a header section through which we have included from a header.php, and this last one is a footer section through which we have included from footer.php file, and this is a main body section where we can write a content. Now let's see, or let's use include once in place of include. So before using include once, let's go to the browser and let's check its source code. Now HTML open, HTML close, head section, here is the closing head section, body open, body close, HTML get close. This is a header section, this is a body section, and this is copyright to layer self. That means it display the whole HTML code. It combines all the HTML code that we have written in three files. Now let's check it by using include once. Just use underscore and write O and C once and save this page. I'll close the page. Now let's refresh this page. You'll see there is no any difference between them. Let's view the source code too. You'll see the source code that display while using a include function or include statement. Now if sometime instead of using include once, we use include, and at the time sometime we may copy the same code and paste it twice, and at the time what will happen, let's see. Let's save this page and refresh this page. You will see that this is a header section and this is a header section. There are two header in a single page. You know that every single page contains only one header and footer. So to recover the error like this, we need to use include once. If I check the source code, then you will see that this is a header section and this is a header section. There is a difference in source code too. So to recover this error, we use a include one. If I use your include once and save this file and refresh the page, you will see only one header. And let's view the source code. There is also no any problem in our source code. Here, include once. Check whether we have user included the file or not. If we user include the file already, it will not execute again. This is the benefit of using include once and require once while using include and required statement. Hope you have understood. If you have got any queries, please comment me in a comment box. If you like this video, please hit a like button and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye. Take care.